Hi all. Welcome to my channel. Here we are going to discuss about how we can able to send a mail using Python. Let us quickly dive into the source code. We will import some plib package and then we will import mime text from email.mime.text. After creating the try block, we will specify two variables. Fromx. Here we will provide sender's mail ID. 2. Here we will provide recipient's mail ID. For demo purpose I am taking both as same. We will define the message here which sender wants to send. Now we will quickly create the subject of the message, from and to address. We will create a server instance by calling smtp method and we will provide domain name as smtp.gmail.com with port 587. After creating the instance we will start the server by calling startles method. Later on we will provide the server login details. After providing all the details we are able to send a mail by calling sendMail method with arguments from address, to address, and the message which we want to send. For reference whether mail has been sent or not we are printing the messages like this. Let us go and check whether we are able to send the mail. After providing file name and click enter. Yes, we could see a message like message has been sent. Let us go and check whether message has been sent or not. Yes, we could see a mail with subject demo message and after clicking on it we find a message. In this way we are able to send a mail. Suppose we want to send a HTML message through mail, just we need to change the few lines of code. Let us comment the 7 line. And copy this HTML code. Here I am using a sample code, you can use your own HTML code. And paste it here. Then we will create a message with mime text as HTML like this. Let us go and check. Yes, you could see message has been sent. Once go and check in mailbox. Yes, we could see HTML code as a message. That's all, thanks for watching my video.